What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. I'm BashLion, and today's video we're gonna be unboxing the PS4. It just arrived in the mail today, and here it is. Still haven't even opened the real box, the outer box. I'll give you a little sneak peek here. The box was kind of damaged, but looks fine. Got a little handy dandy knife here. Yeah. Come on now. I should use my tripod. I don't know why I'm holding the camera. Just so it's easier. So it's easier, you know. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh baby, this is nice. Look at that. Oh yeah. It's really a huge box. Let's see how heavy it is. Yeah, I don't think I can take this out with one hand. Hold on, guys. Okay. It's really huge. This thing is huge. Let me give this a little cut here. Oh yeah. I'm gonna put this in front of my 50-inch TV. Look at that. It's huge. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. You know, I'm probably gonna put it here because I don't think there's gonna be space for it to stand up anywhere. So it's gonna go there probably if it fits. Alright, let me show you the unboxing experience here. You get, oh, it's just that. I guess you're gonna have to slide it out, or maybe you can pull it out like this. Okay. Pull her out. Oh yeah. Look at that. Nice, isn't it? Okay, it has a logo here on this side. So this is just like a cover, kind of. Just a paper. There's the real box. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead and... Oh, okay, so you do that. What's this? So this is probably talking about this here. You take this out. Oh, okay. There's some stuff that fell out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, got it. Oh, this is the controller. Okay. Before we get to that. This is so nice. Oh, I already pressed the button. Oh my god, look at that. This feels so cool. This is such a nice controller, man. Fuck Xbox, right? Okay, look. I want to show you guys the pattern everybody's talking about here on the... There's a pattern. I don't know if you could see it. There's like a... You see that? It's like X's, O's, and squares, and triangles. It's the PlayStation logos, really. Oh yeah, this looks nice next to my computer there. My PC build. Oh yeah. Alright, let's continue. We're gonna feel this out later when we turn it on. Let's see what else is in this box. Power cable. You know, some pamphlets. What's this? Oh, this is the controller cable. It's a Type-C. What is this? Oh, this is the stand. So it comes with a stand, and if you want to stand it up, or even for laying it down sideways, you know, because it's a really curvy system console. So this allows it to sit on the side or stand, and it comes with the HDMI. That's good. Looks pretty basic. Nice. Okay. Alright. Now for the console itself, we need to pull this baby out. Hold on. Man, this feels so good. Okay. Let's take this guy out. Alright, so it's wrapped in this kind of like What is this? Styrofoam type paper? I don't know. Whoa, look how big it is. Oh my god, it's nice. Look at that. Oh my god. It is huge. Oh, I thought this was a scratch, but it's just the charging bolt for the USB. Okay. Yeah, and by the way, I got the disc version, of course. Why would you get the other one? Okay, oh my god, look at this thing. Look at this thing. What? Oh my god, it is huge. Okay, let me use both hands to move it towards the PS3 to show you. And by the way, I got my old PS2 back. I was playing some classic games that you can't find on the PlayStation Store. But look at that. Okay, let's get a further view. Look at this thing, man. Oh, I should put it next to my tower. Okay, hold on. Man. That's another 50-inch TV, by the way. Put two of these probably. It'll be the same size almost. Man. And on the inside here, it has the same texture as the controller with the X's and O's, those little patterns. You see that? There's a little pattern. It's kind of like the controller there. Alright. Let's turn this baby on. Okay, I tried moving the TV a little bit over there. Look, it's gonna fall off. Just for now, just to put it here, you know, just because it looks better. But I have this connected. Let's turn this guy on. Oh, okay, there's a power button here. Okay, same sound. Okay, HDMI 3. Alright, baby. Ooh, look at this boot up. Okay, get away, man. Whoa. So is this how it turns on? Okay. It's connected, yes sir. Oh, it's not connected. What the hell? It fell out. Okay, by the way, this is a Type-C connector charger. So it's a lot faster charging. Alright, English, yes sirree. Bada bing, bada boom. Ooh, this is so exciting. Wi-Fi. Let's do this later. The circles should fill in. This what is this? This joystick feels so firm, like so nice, so sticky and icky. All right. Let's see. BashLion. I couldn't find the mic thing. Maybe that's only in video games. I'm not sure. Oh, you hear the sound? Sorry, I was talking over it. Oh, Astra's Playroom already installed. This is so cool. Okay, this is what you get when you first turn it on. That's cool. And then you go to media if you have like apps or something, I don't know. Alright, let's go to games. Let's get this, baby. Let's get this, baby. It's already installed on the freaking console, dude. Update. Whoa! Did you see that? The controller is so... I've seen so many videos on this controller, but we're gonna have to feel it for ourselves, okay? Nothing's going on so far. Press any button. Whoa. The vibration feels so good. Wireless connection. Dude, okay. Alright, so I just set up my tripod. I should have done that a long time ago. Alright, so we're gonna start with this game. Trigger effect. Whoa, this is so badass. Oh my god. It's just a good vibration, like it's really cool. You feel the pressure, like it's not just a normal trigger like the last controller. Alright, let's go next. you kind of feel it everywhere. Like any spot you touch, you feel it, and it's haptic feedback. Whoa. So like it's not just the whole controller vibrating, but like anywhere you touch vibrates. I don't know if it just feels like that or that's how it is, but that's what it feels like. Monster. Whoa. Look at that. It's so cool. Microphone. Oh wow. 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 That's cool. Let's go. Oh, so you shoot him out there. Okay, I don't know if you guys want to see this gameplay. If you want, you can skip forward, you know, but if you want to watch me play. Whoa. Okay, this feels so cool. Like you could feel like the small steps and the big steps like when you're jumping. Oh, okay, so you gotta... Yeah. Man, I love this controller. Why doesn't Xbox do this? Xbox sucks. Okay. What do I do? Oh, you punch it. Okay. You wish Xbox could do this. Yeah, this is so cool. I cannot explain this. You guys have to get one for yourselves and find out, you know, how it feels. Maybe they'll have some display versions at some stores, I don't know. But here at the house, it feels awesome. It's unlike any other controller I've ever played with. That's a classic PS1. Awesome. I think that's enough. Alright guys, so I just wanted to do a little unboxing here with my new PS5. I was playing this game. It's pretty fun. The controller is awesome. Yeah, so this thing is just awesome, man. Look at that. Ah, 8K. 8K, baby. Look at that. It's a pretty powerful console. You know, a lot better than Xbox. Way better than Xbox. But alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Just a quick unboxing. Just a fun video. It's pretty fun making these. If you enjoyed, please comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe if you're new. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace.